How to check how long your server is up in Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate a simple and efficient method to swiftly assess the uptime of your server in Blox Fruits. To accomplish this task, enter a server, whether private or public, and utilize the F9 key on your keyboard to initiate the developer console within the Roblox. Within the console, you will encounter a sequence of textual data. Direct your attention to the time displayed on the left-hand side of the console. This represents your local time. You should be able to anticipate the emergency of a specific items in 4 hours. Leverage this time reference to determine its appearance time. And by activating F9 and observing the time on the left side of the console, you can ascertain the duration for which your server has been operational in Blox Fruits. I trust that this instructional video on how to check how long your server is up in Blox Fruits is helpful. If you found this video to be beneficial, and if you derive value from this content, kindly show your support by liking and subscribing for additional handy tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.